park for y'all to see anything. Like, there's literally nobody. I have no clue where to be, what to do, where to park. This is all that's out of here. And we need to go up there. Okay, so now I need to find out where I need to walk, and I'm guessing this is the road, but I'm not sure. Okay guys, that's where I'm going.
Turn right onto Outer Weg.
Whoa. Hello to the goats, whatever they are. Peace. Okay, this is where it starts to be interesting. Check out how cool. They got these bells, like. Oh my god, so I have been walking for about an hour, and this is where I'm at. I need to go that way. Right, so I'm guessing that that's gonna be the uphill slalom. Oh my god, look at the mountaintop. Wow. All right guys, I'm excited. Let's do the slalom first. What a cute little chapel over there. I'm gonna show you that. Wow, this looks cool. If that's the cross where I need to go to, then it's gonna be challenging. First time ever. Arrived at the chapel. But man, I don't think that's gonna take me like 1 more hour. I'm not a professional. Like, what people get there in like 2.5 hours? That looks still so far away. Wow, look at the landscape. It is 7:45, and that means that I'm exactly 1 hour on my way. I have been walking for 1 hour. Now, I will show you exactly where I'm at. So this is at my speed walking, and it shows me about 1 hour and 10 minutes left. I don't know if that's the way all the way up to the cross or to the last part, which a lot of folks cancel because it seems to be challenging. You are about to see something very amazing. Check that out. So I decided to go off the beaten path, which is probably this one. I saw this entrance up there. It's this road. Officially you gotta go that way, but I'm thinking this is quicker, but it's heavier. This might have been a stupid idea. Don't take this road if you're not in shape. Oh my god. My god. Now I'm here. I need to go there. Mountain is somewhere up there. I made it this far. I'm gonna check how long it is, how much longer it is. I might have an energy bar up here, but if it's not that long to the last part, I'm just gonna keep walking. I'm gonna keep walking to Alpa Alpina and then decide on, wow, on the peak. Okay, so if you're curious where I am by now, you see that? That's where I started. Almost 2 hours ago. I'm guessing that this is that hut that I told you about, but I'm so tired already. So we have Wolfsburg LP 1 Stunde, Lacha 1¾ Stunde, Tschaggunser 2.5 Stunden. That's what's up. But I'm gonna go there. I see the cross up there. That's where I need to go. And I wonder if the road will take me there. Okay, it's gonna get heavy right now. So I will prepare. I'll drink some water first. I'll take my energy bar. And I'm gonna see you a little later. Peace.
I don't know what this is, but this is tasty. That's the cross over there. That's where I need to be.
Okay, so that's where I need to be. That's where I'm right now. I'm going to take a little break, have an energy bar, whatever, and then walk up there. Let me show you that side. Check that out. That's the lake where we started. Like, it's 8:34 right now, so we started about 2 hours ago. 1 hour 50 minutes. And just check out. That's where I need to be. There, that's the cross. So we're leaving this place. There's some new people coming and we're gonna go up. And it's so cold already, like freezing for real. Oh my God, so it says Mittagsspitze, 1 hour and 50 minutes. Oh my God, and it's this trail. So I guess we have to do it. Mark down the moment. It is 8:42 in the history books. And we're gonna start the hike to the Mittagsspitze.